Welcome to today's English practice. In this video, you will learn 40 common daily English questions and answers used in real conversations. Listen carefully and repeat after me to improve your speaking, listening, and fluency.
Be quiet. Be quiet. Enjoy yourself. Enjoy yourself. Don't waste your time. Don't waste your time. Come back soon. Come back soon. See you soon. See you soon. Take care. Take care.
Call me later. Call me later. Please listen to me. Please listen to me.
It is okay. It is okay.
Please sit down. Please sit down.
Keep trying. Keep trying. Are you okay? Are you okay? Stop talking. Stop talking.
Read this. Read this. Follow me. Follow me.
Pick it up. Pick it up. Write it down. Write it down. Smile.
Smile.
Do not be rude.
Do not be rude. Look at me. Look at me.
Sit properly. Sit properly. Be kind. Be kind. Happy birthday. Happy birthday. Take your time. Take your time. Wait for me. Wait for me. I miss you. I miss you. I love you. I love you. Hurry up. Hurry up. Good job. Good job. Try again. Try again. Be careful. Be careful. I don't know. I don't know. Would you help me? Would you help me? Let's go. Let's go. It's my turn. It's my turn. I am sorry. I am sorry. Thank you. Thank you. Clean your room. Clean your room. Excuse me. Excuse me. Brush your teeth. Brush your teeth. I am scared. I am scared. Thanks for watching.